Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaiza's Crochet. Today let's see how to crochet this easiest pattern which you can use for many projects like baby blanket, vest or table runner or cover, which is very easy. We are going to repeat only one row till the end of this project, and we don't have any borders also here. Only the one row we are repeating throughout the project. So it's very easy. If you're watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon. For this project I have taken here the yarn which is from Himalaya brand, soft, super soft yarn, and the hook size which I'm going to use here is 5 mm. So let's start this project with the slip knot, and then I'm going to make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. I have made here 20 chains. You can make any numbers of chains, it is okay, no need for the even number or odd number. I just added 2 more chains extra, yarn over into the third chain from the hook, insert the hook and pull the yarn up. We got here 3 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through all this. It's a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the next foundation chain and then make a half double crochet. Again insert the hook into the next foundation chain and then make a half double crochet. So like this we are going to continue till the end of this row. Let's make into each foundation chain a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook and pull through all these 3 loops. Here we are going to repeat only one row till the end of this project, so even if you are the beginner you can crochet this very quickly. You can take any type of yarn to crochet this pattern. And to the last we'll make one half double crochet. So here we have made the half double crochet stitches, that's the first row, and then let's make 2 chain, 1 2, turn the project, yarn over. Here you can see a bump and then the here top of this you can see the V stitch. So always keep the pattern like this, don't keep like this, and then yarn over. So from here the next you can see here a bump, small bump, the single strand. Let's insert the hook into this, pull the yarn up, make a half double crochet. Again yarn over, insert the hook into this, pull up the yarn, make a half double crochet. Insert the hook into this, pull up the yarn, make a half double crochet. So we are going to make into each single strand a half double crochet till the end of this row. Yarn over, insert the hook into this, make a half double crochet. And here into the last stitch also we'll make into this single strand a half double crochet. So we have completed here row 2. If you see the turn back side you can see here the bump is going to be our pattern, and then let's make 2 chain, turn the project, yarn over, same like the previous round. Here we could see the small single strand inside the hook and make a half double crochet. So we are going to repeat this row till the end of this project without any change, and we are not going to make any borders as well. So without border also you can crochet this pattern to make the baby blanket. For the babies or the adults also you can crochet this pattern. It's a very good pattern and quickly you can crochet this. Yarn over into the last also inside the hook end, make a double crochet and then chain one. I'm going to snip off this yarn, so you can continue till you get your desired size. And now I'm going to hide this excess yarn using the hook here itself. We'll pass through 2 or 3 stitches and then we'll snip off the excess like this. And this one also we can hide